Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the control panel box on the H1D system. First you want to go into the battery box, open it up, and disconnect the positive side of the battery. Once that's done, go ahead and pop up, open the lid, come over into the control box. You'll need a 4-head screwdriver or a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. First, you want to disconnect the connectors. There's an 8 connector prong here and a 7 connector prong. Go ahead and take your flathead screwdriver, just put slight pressure on the edge and pry it out. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And just let the wires hang there. Take your Phillips screwdriver, and with the 2 bolts holding the actual box, go ahead and unscrew them. And you will want to screw all the way until the back of, or the edge of the bracket here. And just hold the box steady and slide it forward. Like I said, you will want the bolt almost all the way back to the bracket in order to get the bracket to slide back. Do the same with the bottom side. The bracket will slide out. Once the brackets are out, you can take out the control box and you'll be ready to install the new one.